Okay, I've went ahead and I've placed all the medium-sized spikes in their proper location. You're going to do this exact same way that we did in the other videos. That's why I didn't cover it again. I didn't really see the point in rehashing that over and over again. By now you should pretty much be able to translate and rotate and scale stuff. So now that we have everything in place, we need to make sure that the location and rotation data on everything is cleared out. So essentially you go through, you're going to select each one all the way down. You're going to go up here to Object, Apply All Transforms. That'll zero everything out, and then you're good to go. So now what we can do is we can mirror all these over. So we're going to add a mirror modifier, and then we're going to apply it. We're going to do the same thing all the way down the line. And I'll be back as soon as I do that. Okay, so here everything is applied. We want to make sure that we still have enough spacing between all of our spikes for later. Everything looks pretty good. We're getting closer. Now, on the smaller spikes, these, we're not going to model and place these out. We use a different technique once we get into the sculpting. I just think that placing each one of these would be a pain, and it would just be a lot easier to use a VDM brush for it. Now these down here, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to think about that one a little bit, and I'll decide before the next video. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.